Hey there, YouTube world. My Model A has developed the dreaded death wobble, and I watched Mateo replace his ball cap on his wishbone a couple weeks ago, and I thought maybe I'd give it a shot and see if it helps. Why don't you follow along? That's not gonna work. Well, it's not gonna start because somebody took the coil wire off of it. That's handy. Hey, look, coil wire. Well, this will probably help. There we go. Let's try that. All right. Let's take two. Let's see if we can get this thing to do the death wobble. We made it back. I'd have to say that was rougher than the rodeo. Let's get under the car and see if we can get that cap changed out. All right, I found this perfectly good used ball cap out of the supply house. Let's grab some tools and see if we can change this thing out. All right, can you see what I'm doing? Because I sure can't. Let's go after these cotter pins here. Take the cotter pins out. Let's see. We have the right wrench. We do not have the right wrench. That figures. All right, let me go get the right wrench. Okay, I'm back. Did you miss me? There we go. This thing is messy. There's one. Let's get this one. I'm gonna get the floor jack and put it under the wishbone so I don't have to hold it up. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back again. You still there? Let's see if we can make this happen. Get this off. All right, number two. There it goes. Oh yeah. Look at that. There's half of that old crusty rubber thing that Paul and Bob say you're supposed to throw away. I agree 100%. Let's take this off. Wow, the other half is completely missing. All right, let's see if we can put the new used one in there. Slide this in. Let's level the car out. Okay, I'm back. Let's get this cap in place. Here we go. Get the other cap. Oh, I'm sitting on it. You still there? Can you see what I'm doing? Because I can't. Put this cap on. Let's jack the wishbone up a little bit more so I don't have to hold it. When things don't go your way, get the hammer out. There we go. All right. Can you still see what I'm doing? Sun's in my eyes. Now I can't see anything. This goes on. Sleeve goes on. Spring goes on. Nut goes on. Sleeve, spring, nut. And 7/8. Tighten the sleeve up. Go. Tighten this one up. There we go. Let's get the cotter pins back in here. Get the tools cleaned up, get the car back on the ground, take it for a test drive and see how we did. Okay, here we go. Here's the old parts I took off. This is the cap that's set up for the rubber ball on the radius rod. This is what was left of the rubber ball. This is what it was supposed to look like, but we're going to put this back on the shelf because we are never going to use these again. Let's take the coveralls off, take it for another test drive and see if we improved anything. All right, let's take this for a test drive and see if we improved it. Let's give it a go. steady.
Fixing the car, taking it for a test drive.
All right, well there you go. We changed that radius rod ball cap out and it made a world of a difference. It's amazing. Steering wheel, it doesn't shake back and forth. I think we fixed it. Till next time, let's keep these pieces of history in motion. Roll the credits.